Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Let's now keep on in our project Ferrari F8 Tributo. So in this part number 4, we'll continue just doing what we did in the part number 3. And let's now start. Now what we're gonna do, so if we see, we can also come here, make here some change. And what we're gonna do now is can come to this, and then as you can see we need to cut, right? And then so make sure that we use all the line here straight, and we can just do it now through this sketch. Click there, and then select this point, and then it goes up to here. Then okay, now you can also here select, move like that, then see in all the sides. So this line here must be down like that. Okay, so it is from the top. All right, like that. It is good. Now see also from the right. And also from the right need to decrease a little bit. So that's the way. So every time you use the 3D lines or 3D entities, you must always look in all sides and make sure that it is all set up accordingly. So come here, and then it is good. Now just okay, and then rebuild. Now if you go to the 3D, let's just go here from the top. Gonna see this line here. Now what we're gonna do, goes to the trim, and then select these points, right? That's the one we want, and then okay. So we have cut, right, this part here, because this one, if you see from the image, so this one here, it is below, not in the same surface. So that's why we're gonna also work this after. So we have cut this part here, and then we can also go ahead to the next part, and then we'll just come back and then make all the changes. So what we're gonna do here now is we'll also work in this part here. So we just need here to again go to the top. We are not to the top, and then I'm gonna select this line here, convert entities. Okay, we're gonna come select this one here up to this point. I'm gonna do something to this side, go up to this point like that, and then okay, and then rebuild. So we have this line here. You're gonna now go again to the front planes. I'm gonna do something, select this line here from the top. So we are in the sketch, convert entities. Okay, we're gonna do something as we did on the tops. Just come here, then move up to, and okay, always save your project. And then what we're gonna do from here is just select this point, move like that from the top one, select also the point from the top one, and then vertical relation. This one here is very important. And then so this relation is highly important, and you need to do every time you use different okay, now it is good. And then let's just check and see. So it is all good. Now rebuild. So we have this first line here. It is good, and then connect both of the line, the same process, project curves, and then okay, done. So we have this curve, so we need also to have another one, and then it goes again to the top plane, and I'm gonna do something from this the top plane. I'm gonna as well select the splines, come here from this new line. Okay, so we're gonna just come here. Okay, now we need to make here the change. So we are here make all the change. So it is now complete. Okay, now after we have done this part here, okay, just come here and then okay, and then rebuild, done, and we'll do the same thing from the front plane. And then always, because you cannot see from the top, just make sure that you see the line from here. You can just come right, and then very important, also put here in a view so that you can see the lines. Select from this point and then will goes almost until there. Okay, so something very important, this line, you need to select this point, go down, and also here, vertical relation, and then do something here, so we need to vertical relation there as well. And then just make here the change accordingly. So we need here to change this one here is a little bit rebuilt. So we have this one, and then also features, convert, and then okay. So we have, if you go, we have this line, and we also have this line here, this curve 9 and 10. So we are as well in condition to make the loft. Let's just come here to the loft as well. Let's just here first change the view. Okay, now we can now go to the loft. Come to the loft, and you can come here to see very well. You can just select this first one, which is 10, and then also select the 9. So it is done, and then okay. So we have these lofts complete. You can see from in a different side, we have there, and we can as well, after we complete these parts, what we're gonna do, we just need here select both of them, goes to the mirror, and we can go to the front plane, and then okay. So this first part is complete, right? And we can gonna see. So we have these two parts, and we're gonna make the change later on. That's the first part that we have here, and then see you to the next part. Before you go, please come here, subscribe, click the notification button, and give us your feedback.